What are you doing, weirdo? Phoebe.
You're sleeping on the steps, you silly dog.
Go
on.
Dog.
Go on.
Come on.
Say bye, Paris.
Bye, Lenny.
How do I turn this
I'll
fireplace
turn this up.
You want to do what?
I want this up. I want to watch you.
She likes
Oh, you want to watch me leave?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little wet. Bye, Lenny. Bye, you nutcase. So I am out here in the pouring rain because I got to go to my friend Trevor's house because I left my backpack there yesterday. But it's okay. I actually really like the rain, so I'm not too upset about it. I got my scarf and my long little jacket here. I don't know what you call them. It's not a pea coat, but it's like one of those jackets that are a little bit longer, so I like that. So this is gonna be the journey of me traveling from Saanich to Esquimalt to get my backpack. And it's gonna be a good one because it's pouring rain and there's a gas shortage, so people are freaking out as per usual. And they're like, oh my God, I gotta get gas. So we might see some long lineups. I'm always at the track here at Pisces. I'm always doing the 100-meter dash. I'm a track star, really. Honestly, I'm surprised I haven't gone to the Olympics yet. They haven't asked me, but you know, maybe one day. I'm only 25, so I still got a year or two left. This bus stop down here is really, really bad because it's so muddy. I don't know why I come to this bus stop. I should just walk the extra like 2-3 minutes and go to the other bus stop. But honestly, this one's closer, so whatever. I got my boots. I can do it. I can do it. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. I'm not standing by this puddle. Look how big that is. Shit, shit. I'm running by. I'm running by. No, no. Oh, that was sketchy. Oh, shit. Yeah, that would have been me. That would have been me. Thank you. Oh no. All right, thank you. Yeah, I was definitely not paying attention and I missed my bus stop. Luckily, the stops are pretty close, so I'm not that far. I'm always thinking it's like gonna be so far to get to his house because it's like 2 buses, but at the end of the day, it took like a half an hour and it's not that far at all. And the buses lined up so well. I got off one, had to run a little bit, and then the next bus was right there. And I was like, perfect, perfect. Tim Hortons. Always fresh, always Tim Hortons.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's behind the ground.
What were we looking for?
A new Call of Duty, but for an older system. That's why. Very disappointing.
We're on our way to go get Call of Duty Vanguard PS4 because Shoppers Drug Mart didn't have it, but London Drugs does. They got a copy, and I used to work there, so you know we got the hookup. Yo, what are you saying?
We got it on hold.
We got it on hold. That's right, baby. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, so we're gonna go get that, and then we're gonna play, and yeah, cool. Oh, Santa's going to town. We should open up a business. I want to find computers. Computers. There it is. Oh, there's Shaquille O'Neal.
You get lucky. You get lucky because that's like.
Yo, he's got the game. He's got the game.
Got the losing ticket.
Oh, and the losing ticket. Damn. But at least you won on the video game.
You got her.
Do I think this is made with real Canadian beef too?
With what?
Real Canadian beef.
Good. Never frozen. No, that's what.
No, that's when it is. Yeah.
All the time.
Let's see the game. Call of Duty Vanguard.
It's basically World at War,
World at War.
but new.
Well, I'm excited to see some gameplay.
Yeah.
On the road again.
It's like I'm a little kid at Christmas again. Kind of.
Yo, how are the grips?
Pretty decent. I gotta see if I like that taller one more, but probably not. This is as close as it can come to a PS3 controller. Pretty much, so.
Yeah, those are thick.
Got an extra disc just fucking all over the place. Injection.
36 minutes, 32, 29, 28,
Oh,
27.
that'll be nothing.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's going down like nobody's business. Yo, so how long until it loads?
In 3 days, probably. By the looks of it.
Yeah, 14 hours. That's that's gonna take some time.
One's 3 hours, the other's 14 hours. Even though the smaller one's gonna take less time somehow, or more time somehow.
Oh, modern gaming. Gotta love it.
Nah, I actually kinda hate it.
All these people are in line to get gas because this gas station ran out yesterday and now they got gas again and everyone's going for it. Someone's listening to WAP. I think it's funny that, yo, people are getting nasty over the gas. Yeah, I just wanted to say that yesterday, the people that went and got gas and like wiped out all the gas stations, y'all are looking like losers today because there's more gas. Just like that, we have made it back, well, you know, a couple minutes from home. And by the time this video is uploaded, Trevor may be playing Call of Duty. We'll see. It said like 16 hours or something crazy, so he might be playing. He might be playing. All right, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Ah!